Hi and welcome, I'm Stefan. On this video I'm gonna show you how to build a professional website for free. See you in a moment. And here I show you how you can create a free website in just a few minutes, or even shorter if you know all. To get to this free page, sign up page, you have to sign up below for my link, and then you get sent to this page. Here you can create a free website. I call my website My Free Website. Wealthy Affiliate is a website builder program you can join for free. It's the best, I think, in the world, and for premium members I pay $1 a day. I can have 25 websites, domain websites, and 25 free websites, all for the same price. Okay, but now for you to start with, you enter your name here, enter an email address, enter a password, and choose a username. Create an account, and then you will be able to build your first website. My free website is going to build. I show you how. Okay, now after signing up you land here on this page. You can have websites. You have now the whole training for 10 days, I think, for free, or you can use just your free website. And this one is not time limited, you can work as long as you want. I enter my website name again, My Free Website 7. I enter a website name, My Free Website 7. And then I go down and I choose a template. I use this one, Hero, because this one I know it's easy and nice to work with. Click here to build site. Now that's already the steps you have to make to build your website. It's really easy. I'm here in Thailand in the bush, and I can build a website within a few seconds and work from wherever I want. Morning, it's not that hot yet. That's about website building business, website affiliate business, affiliate marketing. You have the freedom to work from wherever you want. You don't have a boss, you don't have to work at any specific hours. You can do whatever you want, just important is that you do it. If you don't do anything, there's nothing gonna be no money coming in. It is a lot of work. This is my first video I produce, and it's one of the things one has to learn too, or it's better if you learn it. It's all in the training at Wealthy Affiliate. You see, I am rank 40, almost one of the highest. One is the best, is the boss. And I am here for 1.5 years. I log in to the website now. This is my website. It's built, and I log in so you can see what it looks like. Okay, now we have reached the dashboard. This is a WordPress dashboard. WordPress almost newest update. There's updates available, you have to do that, update everything. You can add posts here, media, pages, comments, appearance, change the theme, customize the theme, some widgets, menus, editor I wouldn't use at the moment, we get into that later. Then you have you change your user. Now there's just the admin. I would recommend to make your own user with a photo with your name, more personalized settings and everything. We get to that later. Now I only want to let you see your first website, or my new website, free website. It is already here, and I can copy the link, and you can see it is already online. Here, that's what it looks like. Of course, there's nothing on it now so far. Hello world, that's a pre-made page post. You can change that, or you have to take that away. And recent posts, nothing, but that's how it looks, and that if someone in the internet knows your website name and Googles for it, it's gonna show up. And it is going to find it, I hope so, in half an hour. No, okay, here it is. That's my website is online. Okay, click on the bottom, fill out email, everything, and build your first website. Thanks a lot, see you later, have a great time.